Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's topic is how to remove crackling sound from the voice file. There is sometime there is some format issue. Then if we play the voice file, it is somewhere in the file play the crackling sound or some noise or some popping sound. So we can use Audacity software to remove this problem. Here is the Audacity. I'm not able to provide the audio output while recording. You can try and check. I think it works for you. So import the audio file in which the popping sound is up. So basically, you can select only one file at a time, because if you select multiple and files and their tempo is different, then it causes issue. Because that if the tempo is different, then it change the tempo. It will change the tempo for all the file and set the same value for it. So you first, uh, so my suggestion is to use only one file at a time to fix the issue. Then simply export audio, export to computer, mono 8000 single, nothing else. These are the settings, and export here. Now it is exported. If you play this file, then it is not, there is no popping or noise in this. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.